How to apply for ETA online. So, somewhat a reminder, a ETA is pretty much authorization for people who can visit the UK without a visa. It lets eligible travelers go to UK, Jersey, and the other options for about 6 months for tourism and activities that are permitted. So if you want to do this, you can go ahead to their website. This will probably just lead you to the app since that is pretty much what's recommended to be done. But if you want to check it out in the website, you can still do so. So go ahead to your preferred browser, search for gov.uk and ETA, and you will find this option. So it's of course much better to do it here instead of using random third-party sites since the official application is through the website or through the UK ETA app. So over here, you'll take a look at the overview, who needs an ETA, if you're traveling as a family or group, other options as well on other sections if you already have an ETA, and if you don't need an ETA, you'll have these options, but if you do, you're gonna go ahead up here back to the overview section and you'll see the ETA cost £20 section, and there will be a blue line saying apply for an ETA. You can press on that and you'll see what you'll need: the passport, you'll need travel with an email address, credit, debit, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. You can choose from those options, from the payment options. And finally, over here, the section where you are available to apply on the UK ADA app. So you can just press on these links over here, either Google Play or App Store, depending on your phone. And you can press on start now. This will lead you to a section where you can download the UK ADA app. You can download it in a Google Play, and you can either scan a QR code as well. And if you can't apply on the UK ADA app, you will get this option, which is basically help downloading the UK ADA app. And over here, if you cannot apply on the app, you'll have the last option, which is to continue application online. So just proceed here if that is your only option. So how to apply: before you apply, take a look at those, press and continue, and basically just finish the process by doing what you are told to in this section. So that's pretty much how you can apply for UKADA online, your options, and basically where you can do it. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.